friends, welcome to my channel. Today video is going to be very amazing because I'm going to show you that how I sold my all of 3D models and which website I used to sell my 3D models. Okay, so friends, as you know that in the life of a 3D creator, you have to make up very amazing models and you want to sell them, but you don't know where you have to sell this, and the trusted website you don't know about this. So I'm going to show you the topmost 3 websites which I use to sell my 3D models, and I also earn from this. So let's start, and I will show you and I will give you the entire information about the 3 websites where I sell my 3D models. So let's start with me. So if you are new on my channel, then subscribe first and also share this video to your friends, and if you like this video then please comment also. Okay, so let's start with me. I simply open my Chrome browser here, and you can see the first website here named CG Trader. The CG Trader is a worldwide website which is the most popular website here in the entire world. Okay, the CG Trader provided you the best royalty prices, the best model prices, and there have a lots of 3D freelance project here. Look around, look at this. As you can see the 3D project here, it's mean that you can simply apply for this project if you know about how to make this project. Look at this. There is a 3 chess pieces. Formats file is obj, and if you know that if you make this project, then you can simply apply for this. Just click on this. Okay, and you can describe your experience, your proposal, your royalty rate, and many more, etc. And you can simply apply some of the files like the images and the sample file for the customer who wants this project. Okay, so there is a lots of easier thing to make money from here. CG Trader provides you 70 to 80% royalty for your project. Okay, as per your points. Okay, look at this. My reputation point is 572, that's why I earn 72% royalty. My current royalty rate is 72%. Last month my royalty rate is 71%. Now it is 72% because I make more models and much more I earn. So that's why my point is increased day by day, and now the royalty rate is 72%. So look at this. This is my panel, dashboard, my models, my sales, and many more etc. things 3D Trader provided me. You can simply, okay, the most important thing is the payment information. So in the CG Trader you can use the 2 payment platform, 2 or 3 payment platform here. Look like just like PayPal. You can use PayPal, Payoneer, Strike, Web Money, and Wire Money. You can use the 3 or 4 platform to transfer your money to your bank account. So the CG Trader is the very best platform that I ever seen before, because it helped me to show my talent, my skills around, and it helps me to make projects, and most of good thing is it give me a confidence to make much more models, because I am starting earning from here. That's my first earning that I earn from CG Trader is very grateful for me, and I'm thanks to CG Trader who provided me this type of platform. So this is the first platform I have discussed you. So let's discuss the second platform. The second platform name is TurboSquid. You can know that the TurboSquid is also a worldwide website where you can sell your 3D models. Okay, you can see there is a lot of category here, but there is a different criteria of TurboSquid than CG Trader. Look at this. It is my dashboard. I'm showing to you my dashboard. This is my dashboard. Last month I earned these models, these earnings, and I can show you my products. Okay, look at this type of product that I sold to CG Trader, and I earn also. But there is a minor difference between the CG Trader and TurboSquid is TurboSquid provided you to 50% royalty per your project, and when you reach the diamond level seller, you can earn 60% royalty from TurboSquid. The TurboSquid is the most of the popular platform in this world which is used to sell 3D models. Okay, and this is a very good website and trusted website also. Here you can use the two type of payment platform like PayPal or Payoneer only. Okay, if you have a PayPal account, then you connect your PayPal account. If you have a Payoneer account, then you can connect your Payoneer account. But if you connect the PayPal account, you can get your money only after $1. But if you have a Payoneer account, you have to wait rather than you earn $25. If you have a don't have a $25 balance in your TurboSquid account, means that you sell a model and you earn 25 more than $25, then you will be get your money to your bank account. Otherwise, if you when your money is below $25, you will never get your money, and you will get money but after when you get $25, when you reach $25 limit. Okay, so there is a conditions are different conditions for another country, I think. So that, so if you have to know more about it, you have to read the blogs and the comments and the community discussion from the TurboSquid. Okay friends, but the service of the TurboSquid is a very good. You can also use the live chat support here. You can make a ticket here to show your problems, and many more things that TurboSquid provided you. The third website that I use to sell my model is Gumroad. I know the Gumroad is a very best website here in the entire world. Okay, so no, just I say that just because of that, the Gumroad provided you the many more things. Just like you can sell your model here, you can sell your artist portfolio here, you can sell your textures here, you can sell add-ons here, you can sell the skins textures here, and many more things. You can see anything is here. Just like if you make a textures, then you can sell your texture here. If you make your models, then you can say model here. If you make a skin textures, like you make a background, you make a UV maps, you can sell here. If you make some type of add-ons, then you can sell here. This is a very great website, okay, which is help you to earn a lot of money from this by your models. So this is my Gumroad profile. I uploaded only 2 models here. So friends, I hope you like this video very much, because in this video I show you the 3 platforms where I sell my 3D model. Okay, sorry, one mistake. The Gumroad is only use PayPal, okay, to transfer money to your bank account, and the payment limit is more than $10. In the CG Trader, there is a no payment limit. If you earn $1, then you will be then you will get $1 after a month in your bank account. In the TurboSquid, you will get money after $25, and in the Gumroad you can earn money only after $10. Okay, so friend, thank you to watch my video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel also, and please share this video to everywhere. And I want to tell you that my exam is started, so I think I will make another video like 2 and 3 weeks after. So if you think that the video is so amazing, then please subscribe my channel. And I know that my English is very worst, because I am practicing to best my English very much. So please support me and subscribe my channel also. Okay friends, tada, and we will see you after next video. Bye bye.